Sign up to Betwinner with the best promo code, which provides all the bonus benefits to your account for the deposits and trades you make. To register with the promo code, GAVY200, on Betwinner, you have two options. You can choose one-click registration or full registration. During your registration, be sure to put the promo code GAVY200. With the promo code GAVY200, you will earn a 100% welcome bonus on your first deposit, up to €100 and a 100% bonus also on all your deposits, on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. You can now make your first deposit using one of the many payment methods available on this site. The amount of your deposit will determine the amount of bonus you will receive. The maximum amount you can receive is $100. Each account is only entitled to one bonus. The minimum deposit required to activate the bonus is €1. All eligible countries can benefit from it. The bonus received comes with a wagering requirement of 5 times. To fulfill this condition, you must place accumulators, minimum 3 selections. Each of the selections must have a minimum odds of 1.40. You have 30 days from the date of registration of your Betwinner account to use this bonus. After this date, the bonus will expire. Take advantage of the promo code GAVY200 on the casino. Betwinner Casino offers a welcome offer of up to $1,500 and 150 free spins. To take advantage of it, just click on the link in the description or in the first comment to go to the Betwinner website. Then register by following the same steps and choosing to receive the bonus on the casino. Make deposits to benefit from the bonus. The welcome offer you receive will get you off to a flying start playing all of their great casino games with great prizes up for grabs. The casino bonus and free spins are as follows. First deposit of €10 minimum, 100% up to €300 and 30 free spins. Second deposit of €15 minimum, 50% up to €350 and 35 free spins. Third deposit of €15 minimum, 25% up to €400 and 40 free spins. Fourth deposit of €15 minimum, 25% up to €450 and 45 free spins. The offer of this site is very vast and sports betting is only the tip of the iceberg. If you are a fan of casino games, then you will be a constant visitor to Betwinner's excellent casino. You can try to get the highest number on roulette, for example. You can also hope that the next card drawn will make you a winner at baccarat or poker. The site also has a live casino with dealers you can interact with. The casino also has an excellent selection of slot games that you will love to play. A complete offer of sports betting on football. The Betwinner site offers its customers a fantastic amount of events to bet on, so join now using the Betwinner promo code GAVY200. There are nearly 30 different sports you can bet on. This obviously goes from football to tennis via cricket or bandy. Regardless of the time of day, you will find plenty of opportunities to bet. As far as football is concerned, you can bet on your favorite teams and play sporting events from almost all the major national championships such as the English Premier League, the Italian Serie A or the French Ligue 1. You will also find all the European competitions and international. To ensure a constant flow of matches to bet on, Betwinner covers lower division matches and prospect matches. A wide choice of sports betting options at Betwinner. Knowing the different markets you can bet on is one of the most important things when betting on your favorite sport. Football is one of the sports for which there are the most betting markets, and you will certainly find your account at Betwinner with a wide range of football sports betting markets. Conventional markets include single and combined pre-match and live bets, double chance or money back if draw betting, special bets, bets with handicaps and bets on the number of goals and scorers, among others. With the different betting markets, you will have the opportunity to make other types of bets and have better odds to try to win more. Why use the Betwinner promo code GAVY200? At this point, it is clear that all new players can benefit from using the bonus code from our website. But you might still be wondering, what are the benefits of using this promo code? We will clarify some of these benefits right now. First of all, when you use the promo code from our site, you benefit from the most advantageous welcome offer offered by the bookmaker. In addition, the use of the Betwinner gave you 200 promo code is completely free. So you have nothing to lose by entering the code during your